Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, we are looking for molecules with 2 beta hydrogens. Okay, so here's our OH. Right, we want a total of 2 beta hydrogens. Our alpha carbon is always the carbon with our OH on it, which means our beta carbons are carbons attached to that. Right, and so we clearly see we have 2, 4, 7 beta hydrogens. That's no good. Okay, next molecule. It's very large, but the only part that matters is that at the end here, we have our alpha hydrogen, or alpha carbon, right? And so our only beta carbon is right here, and lo and behold, there are 2 hydrogens there, and 2 is what we're looking for, so this one is good. All right, next, iodine here. Actually, I've drawn this not quite right. Up, down, there we go. Iodine here. This is our alpha carbon, which means this is our beta carbon, which means these are our beta hydrogens, and there are no other beta hydrogens. So this one is good. That's exactly 2. Next, we have this alcohol. Right, which means this is our alpha carbon, which means this is a beta carbon, this is a beta carbon, and this is beta carbon. Any of the carbons that are attached to our alpha carbon are beta carbons. And I see 2 hydrogens here, 2 hydrogens here, 1, 2, 3. I see 7 beta hydrogens there, so that's no good. So far, answers 2 and 3 were good. Let's look at 5. Okay, again, alpha is the one attached to our functional group. Any neighboring carbons, in this case we only have 1, are beta carbons, and that carbon has exactly 2 hydrogens. This one is good to go. And finally, we'll look at number 6. So iodine right here. That means this is our alpha carbon, which means this is beta, and this is beta. Yes, there are 2 hydrogens here, but there are also 3 hydrogens here, which means this final one is no good. So in the long run, the answers were along the top row, the second and the third, and along the bottom row, it was the